Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed. And this is a pipe modeling. This is a pipe modeling product and how to this product is easily drawing here. Okay, at first drawing this and all 2D geometry and 2D drafting is available here, and one by one is all point is discussed here. And this is a final product create, and this is a 2D drawing and all view is you can see here. And some important point is all dimension in millimeter and cell is 5 millimeter is used, and this is thread is used here, and use a reference point. This point is very important. And okay, let's start here. One by one is all point is discussed here easily and clearly. Okay, at first drawing this and this is a height is a 60 millimeter and 143 millimeter is this and this fillet is 40. Okay, and at first select a plane is a right plane is better, right plane is used. Okay, and select a line is this. Okay, and relation is horizontal and this vertical is correct. And mention dimension, this is a 60 millimeter. Okay, and this is a 143 millimeter is correct. Okay, this is a perfect. But a fillet is used here. A fillet is a fillet is used here, and this is a radius is 40 millimeter is correct and perfect. Okay, this is a perfect. And all point is this is a black color means this is a fully defined, and use a exit. Okay, and next is a use a this is a hole is created. This is a 40 millimeter is dia, and this hole is created here. 40 millimeter is circle is drawing here. Okay, and at first select plane is a top plane and sketch and normal. Okay, and drawing a circle is this, and this diameter is a 40 millimeter is correct. This is a 40 millimeter is correct and perfect. And exit, and isometric view is also better. Okay, and use a swept boss base. Okay, and this is a 2 point is very important. First point is a sketch profile and second is circular profile. Means at first select a sketch profile. This is a use a sketch profile means drawing a path and drawing a profile. Okay, this is a profile and this is a path. But a circular profile is used here. This circle is not drawing, only a path is created here, and use a circular profile, then automatic select a profile. Circle is not drawing here. Okay, and then this is a use a sketch profile means two important point is discussed here. First is created a profile and second is path. And first profile is select here and second path is a this is a correct. And okay, and all is a setting plain white and all is correct. Okay, this is a perfect. And next point is drawing here. This is a this, and this is a drawing here. And at first one point is important, and again select a 40 millimeter dia and 87 millimeter height, and this is a 22.98 millimeter and 27 millimeter is correct. And this is a very important point is discussed here. Distance is 91 millimeter and angle is 30 degree, and use a reference point is very important. Okay, at first select this face and use a sketch normal. Okay, and draw any reference line, then use a center line is drawing here this, and okay, and this is a center line and drawing this. Okay, and next center line is also drawing this, and this is a angle is a 30 degree. Okay, and this distance is a 91 millimeter is correct, and this is a very important point is discussed here, and this point is a some increase. Okay, and isometric view is okay. This is a look perfect, and exit, and some plane is created here, and plane is a front plane is better, and use a plane. Okay, and first reference is select here this, and second reference is also select this. This is a very important because second body is created here, second pipe is drawing here easily, and then use a okay. Okay, and this select here a sketch normal. Okay, and drawing a line, create a line is select, click here and use this point, and this is a horizontal, this is a vertical, and use a curve is this, and select this and use a click a center point visible. Okay, this is a perfect, and this point is a tangent. Okay, and also this point is tangent, and next is this 87 millimeter and 22.98 millimeter is a curve radius, and this is a 27 millimeter is correct. Mention dimension, this is a 87 millimeter. Okay, and default radius 27 is correct. This is a 27 is a default radius, and this is a curve, and curve is a 22.98 millimeter is correct. This is a perfect. Okay, and all is black color means this is a fully defined, and exit. Okay, and some important point is also discussed here, and this is a also top plane, and use a circle, and this plane is hide because this board is looking perfect, and use a top plane and sketch. Okay, normal is not, but click a circle and create a circle, and circle is also diameter is 40 millimeter is correct. 40 millimeter is correct. Okay, and exit. Okay, this is a perfect, and also use a swept boss base, and use a sketch profile. Sketch profile means this is a select first is profile and second is path, and second path is a this is a perfect, and okay, and this is a hide because this board is looking perfect. Okay, and next is a use a cell command. Cell command is a 5 millimeter is correct, and use a cell, and this is a 5 millimeter is correct, and also this is a all face is select here, and okay, so preview is showing here, and click OK. The thickness value is greater than the minimum radius of curvature cell. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and some important point is discussed here. Okay, and this is a correct, and 2 point is discussed here, and 2 point is remaining. This is a okay, and this is a create a circle center rectangle, and length is 60 and 60, and 4 circle is drawing here, and this is a distance is 44 and 8, and distance 44 8. Okay, and this is a 8 millimeter. Okay, select this face, click sketch normal, and create a center rectangle. This okay, drawing here, and this dimension is this is a 60 millimeter, and also this is a 60 millimeter is okay. Some important point is a okay 60, and this is a 60 not use. Okay, and press a Ctrl Z, and use a center rectangle, drawing this. Okay, but some relation is a okay, and use this 60, and also this is a use a 60. Okay, this is a perfect, but some relation is created here. Okay, and again select a circle is drawing here. First circle is this, not any relation is okay. This is a okay point not touch here. Okay, this is a perfect, and also drawing this, and also this. Okay, and for circle is all is press a Control button, and all one by one is select here, and this is a equal, all is equal. Okay, and this is a 8 millimeter is dia. This diameter is 8, and some relation is very important, and press a Control button, and 2 point is select here, and use this is a horizontal, and this point, and press a Control button, and this is a vertical, and this point again, this is a horizontal, and select this point, and this point is a vertical. Okay, this is a perfect, and this is a this point to this point is distance is 44 millimeter, and this point to this point is 8 millimeter, and also this point to this is a 80, this is a 8 millimeter is correct, and all is perfect. But okay, this is a perfect, and one point, this point, and this point is a select a 44 millimeter is correct, and all is black color means this is a fully defined. Okay, this is a fully defined, and use sketch. Okay, one point is some. Okay, again select this circle as, and use a convert entities because okay, this hole is open, and click a feature and extrude boss base, Okay, and this is a very important because, and this is a 33.20 millimeter is offset. This is a offset 10. Okay, this is a 9 point, okay, 9.2. okay, 33 minus 9.2 means, okay, okay, some important point is a 33.2 minus 9.2, 24. Okay, this is a perfect 24. 33.2 minus 9.2 means this is a 24 is a this. Okay, and use a 9.2 millimeter, and this is a okay, and offset is a, this is offset is 20 millimeter, is direction is reverse, but 24 is a okay, this is a correct, and exit. This is a 24 and 9.2 means total is a 33.2. okay, this is a perfect. And again select a fillet. Fillet is used here, and 10 millimeter, and all is this 10, and select this and use this, all 4 point is fillet. Okay, this is a perfect, and also use this is a, this fillet is outside is a 2 millimeter, and inside is a, this is a inside is a 3.8 millimeter is fillet and all, and this fillet is used here 2 millimeter is this. Okay, and also this is a fillet is used, and this is a, and 3.2. okay, 3.2 means this is a 3.8. 3.8 is, and also this 3.8 is perfect, and okay, this is a correct, and next last point is a discuss here, and select this face and sketch and normal. Okay, and select this, and click a center slot. Center slot means this is this point, and draw this. Okay, and use this is a 33, this is a radius is 32 millimeter, and all is correct, and use this 32 millimeter is perfect, and select this out, this, press a control button and this, and use a convert entities. Okay, and again select two circle is drawing here, this first and second, and also this first, and this is a second. Okay, this is a perfect, okay, and this circle, and press a control button, and this circle is relation is equal, okay, and this circle is a equal, and use this radius, this diameter is a 15, radius is 7.5, and diameter is, this is a diameter is a 10, diameter is 10. Okay, because this radius is a 7.5, this radius is 7.5, means diameter is 15 and this is a 10. Okay, and some, okay, use a trim this portion, and this portion is a delete here, and okay, okay, and exit, okay, and extrude boss base, okay, and this, okay, and this is a perfect, and use a, and direction is downward, okay, this is a 9.2, and this is a inside is, okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and all point is okay, correct, and some important point is a use this 24, and this fillet is length is 24 millimeter and M22, and pitch is 2 millimeter is correct, and use this is a thread is this, select here, and okay, and 24 millimeter, and this metric dia M22 multiplied 2, this pitch is 2 millimeter and M is size is 22 millimeter, and all is correct, and offset is 2 millimeter, and this is a outside is perfect. Okay, okay, this is a perfect, and use a, okay, okay, this is a very nice looking here, and thread is some color is change here, this dark is also look very nice, and also select a color is, this is a, okay, metal, and paint, okay, this is a perfect, this perfect looking here, okay, and one point is also normal, and drawing a 3 circle, first is this, second is this, and third is this, okay, and drawing a center line, this is a this, and all is select a equal, and this all is a, this diameter is a 9.5, and this is a 9 millimeter, a 9 and 9.5, okay, okay, 9.5, okay, 9.5, and also distance is this point to this 9.5, 9, first is 9 and second is a 9.5, and third is also 9. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and use this mirror, select this and this and this, okay, and use a mirror this, and okay, okay, all is perfect, and this is a exit, and some use a extrude cut, and okay, Okay, this is a perfect and also this select press a control button and this and select this and use this and this is a okay. Okay, this is a perfect and also use a this is a perfect. Okay, this is a looking very nice looking here and all is looking perfect and some draw cartoon is apply here and this is also looking very nice and isometric view is this. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. Okay, and okay, this is a perfect okay. Okay guys, I hope you will learn all process is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box, write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body's design. And guys, today discuss here part modeling, a very important, and this is a 3D modeling and use a 2D drafting and how to this body is easily and clearly learn here and how to this body is design easily and clearly. Okay. Okay. Okay, this is a 3D body, how to this body is designed and also chamfer is available here and this body is looking perfect and this is very useful and how to this body is all process is learn here is one by one and this is a flange and all is looking perfect and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. Okay. Okay, and use this 2D geometry is okay. This is a 2D geometry is also available here and how to this body is designed easily and clearly and this is a thread detail is available here and okay, this is a learn here one by one and this is a left view and this is a front view and this is a bottom view and all process is learn here easily and clearly. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's start here. At first select a part and some setting here. Image quality is very high because this body is looking perfect and this is a plain white is also select here. Okay. Okay, this is the main body, this is a main and this drafting is main and this is a front view and at first select this circle is drawing here and at first circle diameter is this is a okay, this is a circle diameter 82 millimeter and this length is a 80 millimeter. Okay, and also cutout is a 72 and this is a 62. Okay. Okay, at first select a plane is a front plane and sketch. Okay, and click a two circle is drawing here. At first drawing a one circle, and this is a diameter is a 82. Okay, and sketch and use this extrude boss, and extrude boss is okay, extrude boss is this length is 80 millimeter. Okay, this is a perfect, and one point is very important because this is a midpoint is very important. Okay, select a mid plane, and mid plane is very important, and this is a all is correct, and click OK. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and second point is this is a cutout is 72, and this is a 62 cutout, and this length is 72. Okay, this is a perfect, and this is a drawing a circle. Circle is a this. Okay, and this is a 62 is 62. Okay, and exit, and this is a extrude cut is, and use a this is a 72. Okay, and okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and next point is a discuss here. This is body is drawing here, and at first select this is a total length is 190 millimeter, and this center distance is 104 millimeter, and this is a chamfer is this is a fillet is 32 millimeter, and this length is a 76 millimeter. Okay, all is perfect, and one by one is at first select a plane. Plane is also select a front plane, and sketch drawing a line. At first this line is a select here, and this is a this and this. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and this total length is 190 millimeter, and this point to this center distance is a 104 millimeter. Okay, and this length is 76 millimeter. Okay, and sketch fillet is used here, and this fillet is a 32 millimeter is correct. Okay, and this is a perfect, and all is black color, mean this is a fully defined, and exit. And one point is very important. This is a 52. This is a cut out of 52 millimeter. 52 millimeter is this circle is drawing here, and this cutout is a 42 millimeter is available here. Okay, and again select a plane. Plane is a this plane, and select this point, and this line is select here, because draw a circle is drawing here, and draw a circle is drawing this. Okay, and this is a diameter is 52. Okay, this is a perfect, and exit. Okay, this is a very useful, and exit, and use a this swept boss base command is used here, and okay, two profile is drawing here. First profile and second is path. At first select a first profile, and select a sketch profile, because circular profile is select here. Then this is a not drawing this circle. At okay, this drawing a circle, then first click. Okay, a sketch profile is click here, and a sketch profile is click here. Then 2 point is a discuss here. First is profile and second is path. Okay, first is profile and second is path. Drawing a this. Okay, this is a perfect, and this is a hide. Okay, this is a hide. Okay, and again select this face, sketch and normal, and drawing a circle. Circle is this, is a 42 millimeter is correct. 42 millimeter is correct. And then exit, then a hole is cut out, then use a swept cut, and swept cut is a very important. Okay, okay, this is a perfect. Okay, swept cutout is a, then use a, at first select a, okay, swept cut is this, is a this. Okay, and this is a cutout, and this is a hole is cut, and draw a this, and use a convert entities. Okay, at first select this, and okay, and select this convert entities, and use a extrude cut. Extrude cut is a 72. Okay, this is a perfect because this is a cutout. Okay, okay, this is a very nice looking here. Okay, and the next point is this point is discuss here. This 64.5 millimeter, and okay, this is a, and this is a 32. Okay, 52 is also discussed here, and 62 is also discussed here. And this is a use this diameter is 64.5 and this length is 32, and this face is also select here, sketch normal, and drawing a circle. Circle is this, and this diameter is a 64.5. okay, and use a extrude boss, and also some missing point because this and this line is also convert entities, is very nice looking here, and extrude boss is this, and this thickness is a 12 millimeter. Okay, and this is a 32 millimeter, and reverse direction is reverse, and 32 is some increase. This is a 38 millimeter is better. Okay, and direction is reverse. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, okay, this is a 36 is better. 36 is also perfect. Okay, all is looking perfect, and then next is a, okay, now start here. Next point is discuss here. This is a drawing here, and this is a circle is drawing, and this circle is bottom. This thickness is 15 millimeter, and this whole cut is 34 millimeter, and at first drawing a upper circle is 110, and this circle is 85, and this is a 62. Okay, at first drawing this circle Okay, and this length is a 110 millimeter. Okay, this is a very important. At first select a plane. Plane is this right plane, not suitable. Top plane is very nice looking here, and this is a correct. Okay, and this is a 110 millimeter, and this use of flip side is better. And okay, and this plane is select here, and this sketch normal, and drawing a circle. Okay, and two circle is drawing here, and mention dimension. This diameter is a 110. Okay, this diameter is a 85, and this diameter is use a only reference. Use a drawing a circle. This circle is this. Okay, and this is a this circle is drawing here and this diameter is a 12. Okay, this is a 12. Okay, and use a this is a pattern is use circular pattern, and use this 8 is okay, because this is a 2 to 6, 2 to 6, but 8 is also very nice looking here, and 6 is also correct, but 8 is perfect. And okay, because all is a this blue color means this is a not fully defined, and then use a this use a fully defined sketch and calculate. This is all is black color, this means this is a fully defined. Okay, okay, and use a extrude boss, and this thickness is 15 millimeter. Okay, okay, this is a perfect, and this is a hide, and this use a sketch normal, and drawing a circle. Circle is a 62 millimeter diameter. Okay, 62 millimeter is diameter is correct. Okay, this is a perfect, because this is a 82 millimeter is reference and 110 millimeter is correct, and this is 62 millimeter is diameter, then and this cutout is 34, and use a extrude boss base. Okay, this is a very important, and this is a use this up to surface, and surface is this. Okay, this is a perfect, and use a this. Okay, all is looking perfect, and this back side is a again select this and draw a circle. Circle is cut out. This diameter is 34. This is a 34 is correct, because this cutout is a 34 is better. Okay, and exit and use extrude cut. Extrude cut is only use up to surface. This is a correct, and okay, okay, all is looking perfect, and next point is also discuss here, and use this and color is this. Okay, and metal is this, and nickel is also nickel polish is available here. This is a correct. Okay, and next point is also discuss here, and next point is this thread and also this. Okay, this is a drawing here. This radius is 6 millimeter and this diameter is a 7 millimeter, and this is a fillet. Okay, and this hole is a, okay, at first draw a circle, a reference. This is a correct, and this diameter is a 110 is perfect, and use this reference and draw a circle. Circle is this, draw a 2 circle is drawing here, and first diameter is okay, this first diameter is a 6 radius is 6 millimeter, and then diameter is 12 millimeter, and this 7 millimeter is diameter. First is a 12 millimeter, and then second is a 7. Okay, perfect. Okay, and again a line is drawing this and connect to this. Okay, and again select a line to this, connect to this. Okay, and this is select here and use a convert entities, and all is remaining portion is delete here. Okay, and click also, this is a delete here, and click OK. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, okay, and some distance to this line to this. Okay, this is a perfect. All is defined, fully defined. Okay, and use a pattern is circular pattern is used here, and this point is select here, and this select all one by one is select here, and this use this, and pattern is only 3 is better, and click OK, and all is black color. This means this is a fully defined, and use a extrude boss. Extrude boss is one by one is select here, and this is a perfect, and this is a 15 millimeter and direction is reverse, and this 12 millimeter is better, and this is a perfect. Okay, okay, all point is discussed here, and next is this use of flange. This face sketch normal, and drawing a circle is this, and use this reference center line is drawing here, because this is a very useful, and draw a 2 circle is drawing here. Okay, and 2 circle is drawing here, and line is connect this point to this is a tangent. Okay, 2 line is this is a tangent, and select a mirror, and this line to select this is this mirror is correct, and also center line is drawing here, this point to this. Okay, and also select a mirror, and mirror is first, second, third, fourth, and select this is this. Okay, all is perfect. Okay, and this is a very important, because this flange is first diameter is 16 millimeter and second diameter is 32 millimeter, and this center point to center point distance is 104 millimeter. Okay, and this is a radius is 38, means this diameter is 76 millimeter. Okay, and at first this circle is 32. Okay, and second is a 16, and distance is first to this is a distance is a 104. Okay, and this distance is a 76. This diameter is 76. Okay, all is looking perfect, because okay, and some point is this to this. Okay, and this point to this diameter is 76, this is 38. Okay, 38 is this diameter, and okay, and also this is a this is 56, not good, 76, but this distance is a 120 is better. Okay, this is a perfect. This distance is 120, but this distance is okay, 120 is better. Okay, and exit and select extrude. Extrude is this, select one by one. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a looking perfect, and this is a 20, this is a 15 millimeter, 15 millimeter, and this is a this thickness is available here, and this thickness is a okay, this thickness is 14 millimeter. Okay, this is a 14 millimeter, and direction is reverse. Okay, okay, this is a perfect. This is a perfect looking here, and this thickness is a correct, but some thickness is also increased, because this is a okay, some thickness is increased, then also looking perfect, and then 16 millimeter is also better. Okay, this is a perfect, and next is this, next is all is okay, all is perfect, and next point is discuss here. This is a thread, and some this fillet is this fillet is 12.15, 12.5, and this fillet is 12, and this is a okay, okay, some fillet is used here, and this fillet is used, and this is a 12.5, 12.5 is okay, this fillet is 12.5 is looking perfect, and this is a 12, and use this 12. Okay, Okay, this is looking perfect. Okay, and this is a use of 14 millimeter is better, and 15 millimeter is also better. 15 millimeter is correct. Okay, this is a better. And also use this is a chamfer is a some, use a chamfer and 1 millimeter, and use a this. Okay, okay, this is a perfect. And 2 millimeter is also fillet is used here, and this is a this point to this. Okay, 2 millimeter is correct, but 4 millimeter is also better. 4 millimeter is correct. And also this is a use a chamfer is a this a 5 millimeter is this, and also fillet is used, and 5 millimeter is this, and this is a correct. Okay, all is looking perfect. Okay, and last point is discuss here, and this is a thread. Thread is length is 30 millimeter, and pitch is 2 millimeter, and M30, and offset is 2 millimeter is correct. And use a thread. Thread is available here. This SolidWorks software is 16 above 2016 software version. This SolidWorks software version is 2016 and above. This command is available here and below the 2016 this is not available here. Okay, okay, and this is a perfect. And use a metric to die, and this is a M30, pitch is 2. Okay, 32 M30. Okay, this is a perfect. M30 and pitch is 2, metric to die, and this length is 30, and select this. Okay, this is a perfect. And all is correct. All is correct. M30 to pitch die, and this offset is click here, and this 2 millimeter and direction is upward. This is correct, and 2 millimeter also add here. This is 32. Okay, this is a perfect. And click OK. Okay, this is a rebuild, means this is a use a same, but this metric tab, this a metric tab. Okay, this is a click OK. Inside this use a metric tab is okay. This is a perfect. This thread is a use here and correct. And okay, and use a okay, and this is delete here, and this face is select here and normal, and use a circle. Circle is this. Some is a cutout is also better, and also select a this and a sketch. Okay, and select this convert entities, and this diameter is a this is a 62 is, and use this is a 40, 55 and this is a use a 52. Okay, some is cut out and 54 is okay, 54 is correct, and use extrude cut. Extrude cut is a this is a 32 is 32 and okay, and then use a thread. Thread is very nice and all is correct, and use a this okay, and thread is very looking nice here, and this offset is 2 millimeter and this direction is reverse, and okay, this 32 millimeter and metric tab and all is looking perfect. Click OK. Okay, very looking nice here, and use this color is a some black color and use this. Okay, this is a perfect, and this color is a change here, copper. Brush is a perfect. Okay, all is looking perfect. Okay, and this is a perfect looking here. Okay guys, all point is discussed here one by one and all point is correct. Guys, I hope you will learn all point is discussed here easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed. And this body is a very useful and helpful for a joint any pipe. And this body is a any pipe joint and joint any pipe, and this is a very useful and helpful. And today discuss here all point is discussed here one by one. Okay, and this is a today drafting is also available here, and this is a final product is complete this 3D modeling. And okay guys, this point is a all point is easily and clearly learn here, and this is a thread value is also available here, and length is 62 millimeter and pitch is 3 millimeter, and this is a M. Size is a 27 and offset is 5 millimeter. Okay, and this body is a perfect body, and this is a very useful and helpful, and this is a looking perfect, and isometric view is also this is a perfect. Okay, let's start here. This body is design. Okay, at first select a part is this. Some setting is a very important. Okay, and image quality is very high. Okay, and this is a some plain white is correct. Okay, at first drawing a this circle is 98 millimeter and this length is a 510 millimeter is correct, and this 82 millimeter is this is a cutout, and this is a 110 millimeter is also cut out. Okay, and this is a extrude, and this circle is drawing here, and this 145.3 millimeter. Okay, at first drawing this 98 millimeter is circle is drawing here. Select a plane is a front plane, and drawing a circle is this. Okay, and align a dimension is a 98 millimeter is correct. Okay, and extrude boss base, and extrude boss base is length is 510 millimeter is correct. 510 millimeter is correct. Okay, this is a perfect looking here. Okay, okay, and this is a correct and this cutout is a very important, and 82 millimeter is circle is drawing here. Okay, and align a dimension. This diameter is 82 millimeter. Okay, and this is a cutout, and cutout is correct. Okay, and this is correct and perfect. Okay, and next is this circle is drawing here, and this circle is a 145 millimeter, 145.3 millimeter, and this is a 80 millimeter is direction is downward. Okay, this is a inside. Okay, at first select this face, sketch normal, and drawing a circle. Circle is this, and mention any dimension. Diameter is a 145.3. Okay, this is a perfect, and this is a select and convert entities. Okay, this is a perfect, and extrude boss, and this length is a 80 millimeter and direction is inward. Okay, this is a correct and perfect. Okay, okay, this is a perfect, and this also, this face is selected, and a sketch normal, and draw a circle. Circle is also 1110, and 1110 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and this also convert entities, and select extrude cut. Okay, extrude cut is a 72 millimeter is perfect, because okay, 72 millimeter is not so here, some missing point, and this is a 72 millimeter is cut out. Okay, and this is a correct, and click OK. Okay, and again select this plane, because this body is a mirror this side, and select this face and select this face. Okay, this is a middle. Okay, and click a mirror command is used, and this body is selected, and this face is also select. This is a cutout and correct. Okay, this is a, and this plane is hide. Okay, all is perfect and correct. This is a all is correct, and some. Okay, and this thread is a 62 millimeter, and this thread is a okay, this is a perfect, and this thread is a 62 millimeter, and offset is 2 millimeter, and pitch is 2 millimeter, offset is 5 millimeter, and this pitch is 3 millimeter, and size is M27 multiply 3 millimeter, correct. Okay, apply a thread. Thread is this, and thread is a, this is a correct. Okay, and this length is a, this length is a, this is a length is 62. Okay, this is a 62 millimeter length. Okay, okay, and metric to die, metric to tape. Okay, and size is M27 multiply 3, M27 multiply 3. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and one is a right handed, then second is left-handed. Okay, first is select right-handed thread and select a offset. Offset is a, this is a 5 millimeter and direction is inward. Okay, direction is okay, this is a outward, this is a correct. Okay, and all is perfect and click OK. Okay, some time is waiting here. Okay, because this is a active. Okay, and next is also select this and select same, all size is a same, this is a click OK, and all is perfect, 62 millimeter and all is perfect, no changing here. But this is a left-handed thread, changing here, and offset is 5 millimeter and direction is outward, and click OK, and all is same. And this is a active process is working here, and some little time is spent. Okay, this is a perfect, and both is thread is a select, and color is some change here, and click OK, this is a perfect. Okay, and material is apply here, and this material is a okay, and metal and brush is a, this is a perfect, and copper. Okay, brush is a perfect and correct, this is a correct. Okay, and okay, this is a perfect and correct, and isometric view is also, this is a perfect, and this thread is a, this is a thread is very nice looking here. Okay, this is a perfect, and this body is very useful and helpful. Any pipe is joint here. Okay, and some point fillet is apply here, and fillet is a this click, and this is 20 millimeter, and also this is select here, this is a fillet is not showing here, this is a added here, and click OK, because this body is looking perfect, some fillet is add here. Okay, some okay, this is a perfect, and also this is a very nice looking here, and some size is a increase, this is a 30 millimeter is better. Okay, and click OK, and 30 millimeter is very nice looking here, and okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a looking very nice here, and this fillet is used here a 30 millimeter, and this is a correct, and all is correct. Okay, okay guys, I hope you will learn all process is learn here one by one, and all process is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, get at first more and more new videos, please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software, and how to this body is design easily and clearly. And guys, this is a exhaust manifold design, and this is a 4 pipe and exhaust manifold design, and this body is design help of this 2D drafting is okay, and this is a 2D drafting is also available here. And okay, this is a top view, and this is a front view, and this is side view. All view this also geometry is you can see here easily, and to discuss here one by one all point discuss here, and this body is final product is design here. Okay, and this body is a product, and how to this body is design easily and clearly, and this is a looking very nice looking here. and all. Okay, isometric view is also available here, and this is a all. This is a use a cell command is this cut here, and this, okay, this is a very nice looking here, and all point is correct. Okay guys, this body is designed easily and clearly, and let's start here. This body is designed. Okay, at first click a part, and some setting is very important, and this use going to system option and going to document property, and image quality is very high because this body is looking perfect. Okay, and this use at first this body is designed, and this is a center to center distance is 136 millimeter, and this inner diameter is a 72 millimeter diameter. This cutout and this big circle is 104 millimeter, and this circle is a 32 millimeter, and this cutout is 17 millimeter, and this is a angle is very important, 38-degree angle. Okay, at first select a plane is front plane, and use a some reference line is drawing here. This line is very important because this body is designed. Okay, and two reference line is drawing here. Okay, and this line and this point is a coincident. Okay, and this line, and again press a control button and select this point and use a midpoint. Okay, this is a very nice, and align this angle is 38-degree, and this is a very important, and and this is a draw a bigger circle, bigger circle, and to a small circle is also the end is drawing here. Okay, and connect to line is a tangent, and tangent is very important because this body is drawing. Okay, and again select a line and draw this tangent. Okay, this is a very connect to this. Okay, and align a dimension. This distance between center to center is 136 millimeter, and this bigger circle is 104 millimeter, and this is a 32 millimeter. Okay, and align dimension is this center to this distance between 104 millimeter, and this diameter is 32 millimeter, and this bigger circle is diameter is 104 millimeter. Okay, and okay, and this circle and this circle is use equal. Okay, but this point is connect to tangent. Tangent is very important. Okay, this connect to this is a tangent, and again select this, and this is a tangent, and also this use a this is a tangent. Okay, okay, this point is a okay, and this use a 136 millimeter. Okay, this is a very nice. This distance is a 136 millimeter, and okay, all is perfect. and use some trim command and use a power trim, and some extra portion is a delete here, and this is a delete here. Okay, and this also delete here, and also this is a delete here. Okay, this is very nice, and click OK. And this extrude boss base is apply here, and okay, and this thickness is a 10 millimeter. Okay, this thickness is already select here, 10 millimeter. Click OK. Okay, this is very nice, and this face is also sketch normal, and also draw a circle is this, and again a big circle, and draw a small circle is because this is a cutout. Okay, and at first click a both circle is, press a control button is, this is both is equal, and this is a 72 millimeter, and this is a 17 millimeter. Okay, and this geometry is also drawing here. This is a cutout is this is a 17 millimeter, and this is a 72 millimeter. Okay, and extrude cut is a through all, and this is a use a okay, and next is a, this is a 1 because this is a 4. Use a linear pattern, and this distance between two center is 120 millimeter. 120 millimeter is correct. Okay, and select this sketch normal, and draw a circle. Circle is a center line because this is a reference. Okay, this is a very use, and click a horizontal. Okay, and use a exit, and use a pattern, and pattern is a use a linear pattern. Okay, select this. Okay, and this use a 4 pattern, and distance between is a 120 millimeter. Okay, and select a body, click this, and direction is reverse. Okay, this is a perfect, and click OK, and this line is hide because this is a looking perfect. Okay, and isometric view is also, this is a better. Okay, and next is a use a, this is a drawing here, and this is a perfect, and this distance is a, this center to this line is a 130 millimeter, and this point to this is a 106 millimeter. Okay, and this cutout is also 72 millimeter, and this 17. Okay, and draw a, then use, okay, this is a very important point is this, use a 171 millimeter is very important. This is a plane created here. Okay, at first use a top plane, and okay, a top plane is select, and use a plane created here, and 171 millimeter, this is a flip side. Click OK, and this use a perfect, and this sketch normal, and draw a center line. Center line is very important, and use a this between two distance, this point to this. and again select a center line, and distance of this midpoint is select here and draw a vertical line. Okay, this line and this also. Okay, this is a hide. Okay, and next is a draw of select a polygon. Polygon is a 3 millimeter, 3 side is 3, and use this drawing here. Okay, and this is use a horizontal, and all 3 is select here and use a construction line. This is a better, and construction line. Okay, and this line is extra is delete here. Okay, and this line is also construction, and this line is also construction, and this is a construction. And this is use a very important, and draw a circle. This circle is drawing here, and again draw this 2 circle. Okay, and all 2 circle is drawing here, and this is a very important, and connect to this line is also tangent. Connect to this and also connect to this, and this line is a okay. This line is delete here and connect to this to this. Okay, this line is a not connect to this line to this is a tangent. Okay, and all line is this line is also connect to this line is also use a tangent, and this line is also tangent. Okay, and all press a control button, and all line is selected and click relation is equal, and also 3 line is big circle. Okay, and select a 3 line is also equal. Okay, and next is align a dimension, and dimension is very important. This distance is 130 millimeter. This cutout is a 72 millimeter. Okay, 106 millimeter is this is a use this to this. Okay, and align a dimension, and this distance is a 106 millimeter. 130 millimeter is perfect. And this point to select this 106 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and big circle is a 70, radius is 17, means this is a 34 millimeter and 72 millimeter and 16 diameter, and this use a 16 diameter, and this use a 34 diameter, and this circle is use a 72. Okay, and this use a tangent, and also this use a tangent. Okay, all is fully defined because this is a black color, means this is a fully defined, and all is correct. But some extra portion is delete here, and this delete is this. Okay, this is a delete here, and also this is delete here, and this line is also delete here, and all is perfect. Click OK. and extrude boss command is use this thickness is this thickness 12 millimeter, and 12 millimeter is better, and exit. Okay, okay, this is a perfect and perfect and correct. And next is use a 3 line. Okay, all is perfect and drawing this connect to pipe, and pipe is a distance, this length is 54 millimeter and this is a 114 millimeter, and two distance is perfect. And one point is missing here. This is use a fillet command, and this pipe is a use a 98 millimeter and this is a 56 millimeter. 68 millimeter is okay. And some sketch or drawing a 3D sketch, a line is drawing here. This point to select this. Okay, this is a perfect line, and also select a line is this is a use this center connect to this, and okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a better. All is a perpendicular, all is this is use a vertical line, and also connect this line and connect to this okay. And some important point is also discussed here. Align a dimension. This dimension is a 104 millimeter, and this distance is this is a 54 millimeter. Okay, and two important point is a fillet command is use a 98 millimeter. First is this, and second is a 68 millimeter is this to this, and 2 is a very important, and this is a extra added here because this is a missing point, drafting. Okay, this is not available here, and 2 important point is okay. And exit, and again select this face, sketch, and drawing a this and use a convert entities and exit. Okay, and use a swept post base, and this profile is automatic select here, and this select a path is a this. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. Okay, this pipe is a connect here. Okay, next is also same, drawing a 3D sketch, and 3D sketch is a drawing here. Select a line is a this connect, and also this is a perfect. This is a use a perpendicular, this use a line is a vertical line, and also select a this, and also connect, select a line. This line is also vertical, and this is use a this, and also this line and connect to this line to okay, this line to this. Okay, this line is also delete here, and connect to this point to this. Okay, okay, and align a dimension. This this dimension is a 104 millimeter, and also this is use a 54 millimeter. Okay, okay, but this use a inward, but use a this is use a this center line, and this center line is perfect. Okay, and some use a fillet is a 68 millimeter is this, and 98 millimeter is this. Okay, 98 okay, not connect here because this is a use a not a okay. Okay, undo, and some line is a this use a okay, this line is a drag here is this vertical because this line is a okay, this is a connect to this but this line is use a perpendicular, not drag here, delete here. This line is also delete here, but this line is drag here, this, and align a this diameter is a 104 millimeter. Okay, and also and fillet is used. Okay, but this diameter, this use a 54 millimeter. Okay, and fillet is used a 98 millimeter is this. Okay, and 68 millimeter is this. The fillet could not be added because the specified radius, okay, radius is more. Okay, 36. Okay, and this use a some, this line is a delete here, and okay, this line is also delete here, and this line is also, and connect to this two. This line is not delete here, and use this, and this center is a okay. Okay, this is use this. Okay, and again select this to this, connect to this, but some point is a some extra portion is delete here, and align a dimension. This dimension is a 54, and this dimension is a 104, but this is a bigger, and 106 is perfect. Okay, this also delete. Okay, this is delete here. And undo, and this is a delete here, and okay, this is a use 106 millimeter and 54. Okay, and some drag a center line, connect to this, and also this use a okay, this is a okay, and fillet is use a this use a 68 millimeter, and use this and 98 millimeter is this. Okay, but some okay, this is perfect and correct, and also exit, and also use this sketch and drawing this and convert entities and exit. This profile is created here. Okay, and swept boss base, and this profile is automatic select here, and this path is this, and okay, this is perfect, and two line is created here easily. And next is use again select a 3D line, and this is a copy is both is this, and select a line and draw a this. Okay, draw a this circle is this center, and distance is a okay, press a tab, and this line is a connect to this and use a this. Okay, because and this line is a both is a use a construction line, and this is a very important. And exit and create a plane is a created here, and select this line, and this line is a okay, this is a perfect and okay. And some use a mirror is this select here, and use a first second both is a, and click okay. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. And also this is a hide, because this board is looking perfect. And also cell command is a thickness is 1 millimeter, and also select all and click OK. Okay, this is a perfect. But combine use insert and feature. I'm going to combine, and also use this and select this to all is added here, and click OK. All body can OK added here, and click OK. Unable to create. Okay, this is not perfect. And use a nickel is perfect. Okay, this material is apply here, and one point is also available here. This is all dimension in millimeter, and fillet is 1, and the chamfer is 2 millimeter, and all is a chamfer is apply here 2 millimeter 45 degree angle, and all side this is a use a chamfer. Okay, and also use this and also use this 1 by 1, because this is not use a multiple. Click OK, and use a chamfer is this is a delete here, and use this. Okay, and okay, this use this edge. Okay, and fillet is also 1 millimeter is use this 1 millimeter, and select this to this, both face is select here, and okay. Okay, and also select this face and this face, both face is select here, click OK. And also this face is select here and use this face, click OK. And this face and this face is OK. And last is a remaining, click this face. Okay, this is a perfect, and this face and also this face is a OK. Okay, all is perfect looking here. And okay, and guys, all point is discussed here perfect. And guys, I hope you will learn all process is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is design. And this is a beautiful this product is very nice looking here. And this product is a exhaust manifold with threads. This is a exhaust manifold design and with threads is also available here. And okay, this is a 2D drafting is also available here. And 2D drafting is a top view, and this is a front view, and this is a right view, and all detail is mentioned here one by one, and all dimension in millimeter. And pipe fillet, this is a fillet is 68 millimeter and 98 millimeter, and threads details is also available here. This length is 92 millimeter, pitch is 6 millimeter, and size is M72, and offset is 6 millimeter. Okay, today discuss here all point is discussed here one by one, and this is a all detail is mentioned here. And this is the final product is a this is a very nice looking here. Okay, and this product is a okay, this is a looking very nice. And how to this body is designed easily and clearly. Okay, this is a so nice looking here, and all is perfect and correct. All is this is a okay, this is a hole is also size is correct, and all is perfect and correct. Okay, and this body is designed to discuss here one by one, all point is learn here. Okay, let's start here. This body is design. Okay, at first select a part, and some setting is discussed here. This is a plain white is correct, and this is a going to document property, and going to image quality. Image quality is very high because this all geometry is looking perfect and correct. Okay, at first drawing this body, and this body is this pattern is used here. This pattern is length is a this two center point distance between 120 millimeter, and this is a 4 pattern, and one is drawing here. This is a this center to center distance is 136 millimeter, and this angle is very nice and very useful. And this a small circle is diameter is 17 millimeter, and big circle is radius is 16 millimeter, and this cutout is all cutout is 72 millimeter, and this big circle is radius 52 millimeter. Okay, at first select a plane is front plane, and okay, this is a okay, and this is a use a front plane, and some reference line is drawing here, and reference line is drawing this. Okay, and again this center line is drawing here this, and two line is very very important, and select this line and this center point and use a coincident. Okay, again select this line and use a center point and use this is a midpoint, and this is a very nice. Okay, and again a smart dimension is used here, and this angle is a 38 degree is very very important. Okay, this is a perfect, and drawing a two circle, big circle is this and two circle is small circle, and this drawing to this, and this circle is this. Okay, and select press a control button and select both and use a relation is equal. Okay, select this and use a line and connect to this, and again select a line and use this to this. Okay, and again select a line and this to this, connect here, and all connection is a all is a tangent. Tangent is very very important, because this is a not tangent here, and then use a this use a tangent, but select this point to this point is use tangent, and again select this both is select tangent, and also this use a tangent. Okay, this already is tangent here, and all is perfect. Okay, and mention dimension, this is a okay, and this center, this distance between center to center is 136 millimeter, and this radius is 52, means diameter is a 104 millimeter, and this big circle is a 16, means diameter is a 32 millimeter. Okay, 104 millimeter, and this is a use a this is use a this delete here, and also this is use a 32 millimeter. Okay, and this distance between two center is use 136 millimeter is perfect. Okay, all is a fully defined, because this is a perfect. And some trim command is used here, and some extra portion is trimmed, because this unused unwanted. Okay, this is not used here, and this also trimmed, and this also trimmed. This is a correct, and use extrude boss, and this thickness is a this thickness is 10 millimeter, and this thickness is 16 millimeter. Okay, this use a blind and use a thickness is 10 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and this face use here, and use a normal, and use a big circle drawing here, and both side is a use this to this, use here this, and both select this to this and use a equal, and this diameter is a 72 millimeter, and this diameter is a 17 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and use a extrude cut. Extrude cut is very very important, and use a cutout. Okay, this is a perfect, but all is this is a use a one body is clear design, but use a pattern, and this is use a 4 pattern is 4, and this body is 4. Okay, and select this face sketch normal, and use a reference line, and reference line is very very important, because this use a pattern, and this line is a horizontal. Okay, this is a perfect, and exit, and use a linear pattern because this line is a horizontal, and use a this, and this distance is a 120 millimeter. Okay, because this to center distance is a between two center distance between 120 millimeter is perfect. And this use pattern is used here a 4 pattern, and this distance is 120 millimeter, pattern is 4, and use a bodies, and click this body, and direction is a reverse direction, and use a this, and click OK. Okay, and this line is a hide, and isometric view. Okay, this is a perfect. And next is use here, and next is a this, and this circle is drawing here, and this circle is a pattern also use here, and this circle is big, diameter is a 130 millimeter, and this center to distance is a 160 millimeter is drawing here. Okay, and one point is very important, this point is a 178 millimeter, this is a direction is upward. Okay, this is a downward direction. Okay, this is a perfect. And use a top plane, and a line is plane is created here, and this distance is 178 millimeter, and direction is flip side downward, and click OK. Okay, and this is a, and also this plane sketch normal, and at first drawing a line, a center line is drawing here, and this connect to this point to this. Okay, and again select a center line, and select a midpoint, and use a this to this. Okay, and this plane is hide because all is looking perfect, and this circle is drawing here a this point. Okay, and this circle is drawing here, and this circle is diameter is 130 millimeter. Okay, this is delete here, and use a this is a 130 millimeter, and this distance is a this to this point, a distance is a 160 millimeter. Okay, and this is a very nice 160 millimeter is perfect. 160 millimeter and 130 millimeter, and this thickness is a, okay, this thickness is a 17 millimeter is perfect. Okay, 17 millimeter. Okay, and both is a black color, means this is a fully defined, and use a extrude boss, and this thickness is a blind, and use a 16 millimeter is perfect, and click OK. Okay, and also this sketch normal, and drawing a circle is this, and this circle is cut out, and use a 72 millimeter is cut out is perfect, and use a extrude cut, use a through all, and click OK, and again select this sketch normal, and drawing a center line, and this center line is very important because some use a pattern, and again select a click, draw a circle, and circle diameter is a 14 millimeter, and this distance to this is a use a 50 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and also this is a perfect because this is a pattern use a 14 millimeter, and this 52 millimeter is correct. Okay, this use of 52 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and use extrude cut is a through all, and click OK, and use a pattern is select a circular pattern, and select a this. Okay, click click here, and this is a this edge, and also select this and use this pattern and click OK. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and this is a correct. And next use a 3 line is drawing here, a 3D line is drawing here, and this pipe is connected to this. Okay, all is perfect drawing here. Okay, and this is a perfect sketch, and 3D sketch is drawing here, and select, click a line is this is a okay, this is a correct. Okay, and this is a drawing here this also click here, and select this center to drawing here, not a middle. Okay, this is a perfect, and click press a tab and use this vertical line is perfect. Vertical line is correct, and also click a line and connect to this line to this, and this use a very nice looking here. Okay, and some geometry is drawing. Okay, this is length is 114 millimeter, 114 millimeter, and this length is 54 millimeter is perfect. Okay, this length is a 114 millimeter, and this length is use a 54 millimeter is correct, but this line is a not center and connect to this. Okay, this is a perfect, and use a and some use a fillet is a this use a pipe fillet is 68 millimeter and 98 millimeter, and use a fillet is a 98 millimeter, and use this and also 68 millimeter, and use this, and both fillet is used here and perfect. Okay, and exit this path is drawing here, and again select this face sketch, and this profile is also this, select this edge and use a convert entities and click OK. Both is profile and path is drawing here easily. Okay, use a shift boss and profile is automatic, select here and click a path. Okay, this is a perfect pipe is this preview is showing here, and click OK. This is a perfect, and okay, and again select a sketch, 3D sketch, and drawing a line, and line is a this, and select this circle, and this circle is a okay, this circle is a this center point, and use a tab, and this is use this perpendicular line. Okay, this is not mentioned here, and this line is delete here. This line is a vertical line, and select this, and this line is a vertical line. Okay, this line is a this line is a vertical line. Okay, and again select this. Okay, this is a perfect, and use okay, this vertical line is this. Okay, and connect to this line to this. Okay, and perfect. Okay, this is okay, perfect, and use this. Okay, this is use this length is 114 millimeter. Okay, and this length is a 54 millimeter is perfect, and okay, and this point is this drag here and connect to this center, and this center is perfect. Okay, and and this is a drag here, and this is a okay, this is a perfect. And also use a fillet is 68 millimeter is this, and 98 millimeter is this. Okay, and okay, this path is drawing here easily. And also exit and click this face sketch, and this use a convert entities, and this profile is also drawing here, and click OK. And use a swept boss, and this profile is drawing here, and path is also drawing here, and select this path. Okay, path and this profile is both is click here and click OK. And this body is a drawing here, and then next two is a this body is copy here easily. Okay, and also 3D sketch is drawing here. Okay, and select a okay, this is a this circle is okay, drawing a center line, and center line is this circle is a okay, this is a correct, and this is a vertical line. Okay, and use also horizontal line and correct. Okay, okay, not better, but this line is delete here. This line is a use again, select a center line and connect, and this to this, and not use here, and press a tab, and tab button is a okay, this use a okay, okay, this line is a use a curve, but curve is not mentioned here. Use a line, and line is a okay, okay, this use a tab. Okay, this is a perfect line. Okay, this line is a correct, but select a exit, and use a this plane is created here, and this plane is use this line, and click this line and click OK. This plane is create here easily, and use a mirror is this, and automatic this plane is select here, and use this line, and swept boss base is to first is, and again select is a this, both is select here, and this preview is showing here. Click OK. Okay, this is a perfect, and this body is a correct, and both is hide because this body is looking perfect. Okay, and cell command is use here, and cell is one thickness is 1 millimeter, and select this, and all is one by one is select here, and this to this, and click OK. Okay, all is a this is a hollow, and okay, all is looking perfect, and okay, and next is use here okay, this is a perfect, and this use this length is 96 millimeter is, and this diameter is 80, and select this face sketch normal, and drawing a circle is this. Okay, center point is select here, and this circle is drawing here, and align a dimension. This dimension is a 80 millimeter. Okay, and use a extrude boss. Extrude boss is a thickness is a 96 millimeter. Okay, and use a thin feature, and thin feature is a direction is a okay, reverse. This is a inward direction, and this is a looking perfect, and click OK. Okay, and this use a 96 millimeter. Okay, and use a fillet is this, use a 1 millimeter is perfect, and use a this 1 millimeter, and click OK. and again select a okay, but this not mention here of this fillet is delete here because okay, this is delete here, and select here a fillet is used here 1 millimeter, and select this face and also this and click OK. Okay, this is looking perfect. And next is use a thread is used here. This is a 92 millimeter and this offset is 6 millimeter, and okay, this use a pitch is 6 millimeter and size is 72 millimeter. Okay, and use a thread is this use a select this. Okay, offset is used here 6 millimeter, direction is outward. This is a perfect, and this 92 millimeter, and use a metric to die, and this M72 multiply 6 means size is M72 size, and this 6 millimeter is pitch. And also this cut thread is also perfect, and right handed cut thread is perfect. All is looking perfect, and click OK. Okay. This active process is some little late. Okay, this is a very nice looking here, and this thread is used here, and some black color is mentioned here because this is a perfect. Okay, and material is apply here, and material is this use a nickel, and nickel is a this, and okay, this is a very nice looking here. Okay, okay, this is a perfect, and some, and okay, this is a some use a chamfer is 2 millimeter and 45 degree angle, and this is a fillet is 1 millimeter, and one by one and use a chamfer is this is a 2 millimeter and 45 degree angle. This use this and click OK, and again select this chamfer is used here, and select this, click OK, and okay, this is a perfect, and again select a chamfer is this, and this is a multi is not used here, one by one is perfect, and select this is a perfect. Okay, all is perfect, and also fillet is used here, and this fillet is a 1 millimeter, and this select this and select this both side and click OK. Okay, and also a fillet is used here, and click this face and click this. Okay, okay, and again select a fillet this face and use this face and click OK, and the last this, click this face, and this face is also this is a correct. Okay, all is perfect and correct, and isometric is also better, and this is a okay, this is a perfect, and this front view is also better. Okay, okay, and use this. Okay guys, all point is learn here easily and clearly. Okay, okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this body is designed and this is a 2D drafting is available here, and this threads details is also available here, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And today discuss here a very important this nozzle pipe design is discussed here, and all dimension is clear here easily and clearly. Okay, and this body is a nozzle pipe design, and all is a body is looking perfect and correct, and this is a looking so nice here, and this is a all is perfect and all gap is a perfect and correct. Okay, all is okay, and this body is designed how to easily and clearly. Okay, let's start here. This body is designed easily and clearly. Okay, at first select a part, and some point is a very important, and use a plain white, and some setting is also image quality is very high because this body is looking perfect. Okay, and next is this is a perfect geometry is defined, and this length is a 18 millimeter, and draw a circle is 3.6 millimeter, and this gap is a 3 millimeter, and this length full length is 10 millimeter, but half length is diameter is 5 millimeter. Okay, and at first select a plane is right plane is perfect, and some for reference geometry is a drawing here, but use only reference. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and this horizontal, and draw a center point arc, and the center point arc is a this is a okay, this point this drawing this this is a perfect and connect to this. Okay, but also use for construction geometry, but this is a use a reference point, and some okay, this distance between this point to this is a 18 millimeter, and this diameter, this is a radius is a okay, this radius is a 3.6. Okay, this is a perfect, and again drawing a small circle, and this circle is drawing a this, and this diameter is a okay, this diameter is a 2.8. okay, this is a diameter is 2.8, and also use a construction. Okay, this use a also use a for a use a construction. Okay, this is a perfect, and some line is drawing here, or select a line is a this drawing a this to this is a drawing here, and use this, and this line is a this. Okay, this line is a taper, not horizontal, but this line is a taper line because some angle is defined here. And next point is this is a perfect, and some use a okay, okay, and this is a some use this is a radius, drawing a this and circle, and this line is a this line is this, and some line is taper, and this line is also connect to this, but this line is some use this, and this line is also this, and use connect to this point is this. Okay, and some use this line to this line is okay, this line is use a collinear and connect a center line, this line to this point to connect here, and this line to this line is also collinear. This line is a vertical is perfect, okay, and next is a use this line, okay, and some use okay, okay, this line is use here and connect to this, and this is some taper line, and use this connect to this, and connect to this line to this, okay, and connect to this. This is a perfect. And this distance is a 1.2, this point to this distance is 1.2, is perfect, and next is a use some angle is this line to this is a angle is a 26 degree, okay, and this angle is distance is a 60 degree angle, okay, because this is a 26 degree angle is this, and 1.2 is distance, and this is a 60 degree angle, and this diameter is a 2.6, and this radius is 3.6. This is a 3.6 and 2.6, okay, all is perfect, and next point is a okay, this is a perfect, and use this is a, and this distance is a 3 millimeter. Okay, and this point to this distance is a 5 millimeter. Okay, and this is a, this radius is a 0.8, this radius is a, this radius is 0.5 millimeter, and this is a 0.8 millimeter. Okay, this is a 0.8 millimeter and this is a 0.5 millimeter. This is a 0.8 and also this is a point sorry, 0.5. Next is a, okay, so nice. And some point is very useful, and this point, and press a control button, and this is a okay, this is a vertical line, and this point and this, okay, and this point, and press a control button, and this center point is a horizontal line, and this is a very important. Okay, okay, and this is a perfect. Okay, and next is a, this is a, use a angle is this to, this is a 135, and okay, and this is a collinear is perfect, and some distance. Okay, this distance is a 6, this center point, and this distance is a 6 millimeter. Okay, and next is a, some point is this, and this circle is a 1.5, this is a 1.6, and distance is a 1.5, this to this distance, this distance is a 1.6, 1.5 is better, and this is a perfect. And next is a, and this point to this point is distance is a 8 millimeter, and this point to this distance is a 12 millimeter. Okay, and next is a, this distance is a distance is 11.8. Okay, this is a perfect. Next is a, And next is some use this is a use this point is a select here and use this point to this line, and this distance is a 5.9. okay, and okay, and this is a perfect and this point and this line is also use a this is a use a default value, and this point is a tangent is also okay, and this point is also tangent. okay, and next is okay, one point is missing here, and one point is use this point is a 1.5. okay, all is fully defined, and this is perfect, all is correct and this is fully defined and all okay, and all dimension is okay, okay, and next okay, all point is perfect and all this is all geometry is fully defined, and this is perfect and correct. okay, all is one by one is all point is correct, and next is use a revolve boss and select this select okay, okay, and next is this revolve boss base is delete here, and some value is edit here, and okay, but this point is this is the 12, and use this okay, and this use a 10, and use also 7, and this point is a 0.75. okay, this is a not use a, and use a 10, and use a 7, and this is a perfect and use a revolve boss, and okay, okay, this is a perfect okay, this is a very nice looking here, and next this face select sketch normal, and click a hexagon and select this connect to this center point. okay, and this is a line is a horizontal line, and mention this dimension, but this dimension is not used because this is a connect here, and this dimension is perfect, 11.8. okay, and some extrude cut is apply here, and extrude cut is a extrude cut is a this face. Select this face, okay, and some use a extrude cut of flip side to cut. Click OK. Okay, this is a perfect. But and some use a this is a 11.11. 11 is better, and this is a 7.5. click OK. And extrude cut is a this is a 8.5. okay, through all is better, and click OK. okay, all is perfect. And okay, and some use a fillet chamfer is used here, and one is perfect, and this is a this, and click OK. And next use a thread is user this, okay, and this is use a 8mm, and use a offset is 2mm, flip side, and use a 6, 7, okay, metric to die, and use a this is a perfect, and select the sketch of convert entities, and use a extrude cut, and click OK. this is a perfect, and correct. And some color is used here, and this color is a this, and OK. okay, this length is a increase, and some use a okay, this sketch drawing here normal, and this length is a some 20 is perfect, and okay, this is a perfect, okay, this is a better. And also this thread is used here, and click this thread, and this is a 9mm is perfect, and 8.5 is better, 8.5 is perfect, and click OK. okay, this is a very nice looking here and perfect. And okay, all is looking perfect and correct. Okay guys, this is a finally drawing here. Nozzle pipe is designed, and guys, I hope you will learn all this process is easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.